Hello, hi everyone. Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Okay, so welcome back to our class. Okay, so for this week, are we going to look into the new chapter? Okay, which is chapter 4, Polygon. Okay, so in this chapter, you will basically learn about two things. Okay, the first one is subtopic 4.1 regular polygons. You will learn all about the characteristic, how you can identify regular polygons, and then you also learn how to draw a regular polygon. Okay, and then for 4.2 you will learn about interior angles and exterior angles of polygon. Okay, so this section for self-reflection section, you can look over here later after we finish our chapter. Okay, you can look which one is your green, yellow and red. Okay, so the traffic light over here. Okay, so in this chapter there are few word links that you need to know. Okay, so the first one is polygon. Okay, the second one is regular polygon, irregular polygon, axis of symmetry, side, interior angle, exterior angle, supplementary angle, and origami. Okay, now let's look over here. Why we study this chapter? Okay, you can creating logos, mural on school walls, and creating symmetry on drawing. Then, in the field of technology, knowledge of polygon is used in building architecture, roofing, interior designing, fabric design, and more. Okay, and then career involved in this field are surveyors, technicians, engineers, architects, graphic designers, and many others. Okay, actually this is for me it's quite interesting chapter. Okay, so I hope you like this chapter very much. Okay, so look, okay, the first learning standard for today is describe the geometric properties of a regular polygons using various representation. Okay, so we know that geometric properties of regular polygon. Okay, a regular polygon is a polygon that has sides with equal length and interior angles of the same size. This is the main two characteristic of regular polygon. The first one is the side must be equal length, and then the interior angles sudut dalaman must be the same, mesti sama. And then, look over here. Regular polygons are polygons for which all sides are equal and all interior angles are of the same size. If only it has this equal length but not the same size of interior angles, so it is not a regular polygon. It must be both. It must satisfy these both syarat. So regular polygons have congruent interior angles. I hope you still remember what is congruent. While irregular polygons are polygons with irregular sides. Kalau nak senang, irregular polygons ni kalau bentuk dia pelik-pelik tu irregular lah. Kalau bentuk dia cantik je, kita boleh check dua syarat ni. If it satisfy both syarat, so we can call it regular polygons. Before that, look over here. Do you know? Determining types of polygon. A polygon can have 3 or more sides. Look over here. It mentioned that have 3 or more sides. Kenapa mesti 3? Why must 3? Because 3 kita akan ada satu polygon yang tertutup. Kalau dia tertutup, kita boleh panggil dia polygon. Kalau dia terbuka, bukan polygon. For example, 1, 2, 3, 3 side tapi dia terbuka. So this is not a polygon. Remember that. Now look over here. Okay, so you have, okay, 3 sides triangle, you have 4 sides square, you have 5 side pentagon, 6 side hexagon, 7 side heptagon, 8 side octagon. Okay, so this is regular polygon. Okay, so we know that if this is regular polygon, it have the same side and the same interior angle. Okay, for example, I take this square, so we have 4 same length and the same interior angle, 90 90 90 90. Okay, now let's look at example 1. Okay, based on the diagram, okay, which one is regular polygon and which one is irregular polygon? Okay, so look at the first one. Okay, so over here di sini dah kita dah tahu. Okay, we can see that the length is not the same, so tak sama. So this is irregular polygon. Okay, at the first glance, we already know that it is not a regular polygon. Okay, the second one, okay, it has the same angle. Okay, it already passed the first criteria. But what about the second criteria? All the length are the same. Look, these two are the same and these two are the same. But all 4 is not the same. Only 2 ini yang sama dan 2 ini yang sama, walaupun dia ada interior angle yang sama. So this one is irregular polygon. Okay, C. So it all have the same interior angle and the same length of side. So we can conclude that this is a regular polygon. Okay, the next one, okay, we have the same interior angle and the same sides. Okay, so this is regular polygon. Okay, how about C? Okay, it is shape of a house. Okay, so this is irregular polygon. Okay, and the last one, okay, sudah terang lagi bersuluh, betul? This is irregular polygon. Okay, so I hope you understand the first learning standard for today. Okay, quite simple. Okay. Okay. Okay, next, okay, let's learn on how to determine the axis of symmetry. Okay, over here, okay, you will learn about how to relate the number of sides and number of axis of symmetry. Okay, what is number of sides? Okay, number of side is basically how many number that build this polygon. Okay, berapa sisi yang boleh membentuk polygon tersebut. Okay, kalau axis of symmetry pula adalah a line that can macam mana? A line that can kita boleh katakan membahagi sama polygon tersebut. Okay, kita tengok, kita boleh lipat berapa kali dia supaya sama size. Okay. Okay, so look at the first one. Okay, number of sides. Okay, this one we have 3 sides. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Okay, for irregular, we do the regular polygon first. Okay. So next, okay, number of axis of symmetry. Okay. Okay, I will write it down over here. Okay, sebagai contoh, I have a regular triangle. Okay. we know that all the sides are the same length, all the interior angle are the same size. Okay, so if we have three sides, okay, sides 3, okay, let's see how many axes of symmetry are there for regular triangle. Okay, let's use yellow. Okay, so we have the first one, ni yang pertama. This is the second one. Okay, it means kalau saya lipat segitiga ni pada garis kuning tu, dia akan terbahagi dua, sama besar. Okay, and this is the third one. Okay, so we can conclude that the axis of symmetry of triangle is 3. Okay, sama. Okay, so over here is 3. Okay, next, square. Okay, what if I have a square? Square. Okay, we have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, so let's draw the axis of symmetry. Okay, so yang mana kita boleh lipat dua? Okay, this is the first one. 1, 2. Okay, over here 3, 4. 4 axis of symmetry. So square has sides 4, axis of symmetry also 4. Am I right? Okay, so over here is 4. Okay, so let's see pentagon. Okay, how about pentagon? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not the regular pentagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's assume this is a regular pentagon. Okay, so 1. Okay, 1. I think I better draw the proper one. Okay, wait. Okay, never mind. Let's use this one. Okay, so make it bigger. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 sides, 5 axes of symmetry. Okay, now so we have the idea over here. If the side is 3, so axis of symmetry is 3. If the number of sides is 4, the number of axis of symmetry is also 4. 5 and 5. Okay, now hexagon. So we know that hexagon have 6 sides. So it means it must be 6 axis of symmetry. Okay, let's search for it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's right. So we have 6 sides and 6 axes of symmetry. Okay, now for irregular polygon. Okay, let's try the first one. So this we have three different sides. Okay, three sides with different length. Okay, so does it has axis of symmetry? No, so 0. Okay, next. Okay, how about this rectangle? So it have 4 sides, and then for axis of symmetry, okay, 1, 2. So it have 2 axes of symmetry. Okay, so now let's conclude. Okay, let's see over here. Okay, so the number of axes of symmetry for a regular polygon is equals to the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so I hope you remember this. This is only for the regular polygon. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the next learning standard. Okay, for the next learning standard, which is to construct regular polygon using various methods and explain the rationales for the steps of construction. Okay, for this learning standard, okay, we will do this activity next week. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to construct the polygon next week. Okay, so you can save this what we call learning standard for next week. Okay, so let's proceed over here. Okay, so self-practice 4.1. Okay, what I want you to do is try to do self-practice number 1, okay, number 2, and number 3. Okay, number 4 not yet. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay. Okay, interior angles and exterior angles of polygon. Okay, so let's look over here. So what is interior angle? Okay, sudut dalaman. Interior angle is the angle that inside of the polygon. Okay, so we have inside is B, A, and C. It is what we call interior angles because it is an angle that is shaped by two adjacent sides of a polygon. Adjacent ni maksud dia bersebelahan lah. Okay, sudut yang terhasil daripada bentuk dua sides. Okay. Okay, next, exterior angle pula. Okay, exterior angle is an angle that is formed when one side of the polygon is extended. It is the supplementary angle to the interior angle of the adjacent side. Okay, sebenarnya exterior angle ni hanyalah, okay, kalau awak ada satu garis ni tadi, contoh garis ni, saya pakai hitam okay, contoh awak ada satu garis ni, kita panjangkan dia. Bila panjangkan, yang di luar ini adalah exterior angle. We have X, Y, and Z. Itu sahaja, senang kan? Okay, tak susah. Okay, sekarang tengok di sini. This is the relationship between exterior angle and interior angle. Okay, kita tahu. Okay, kalau saya tambahkan interior angle 65 with the exterior angle, so interior angle 65 and exterior angle 115, okay, dia akan menghasilkan satu sudut garis lurus 180. Okay. Okay, satu lagi. Apa yang awak kena tahu? Okay. Total sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So we have 60, 60, 60 is 180. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the learning standard for this part. Okay, derive the formula for the sum of interior angles of a polygon by using triangle. Okay, look over here. Okay, tengok sini ya. Okay. Okay, connect the edges of each polygon to form a triangle in the polygon as shown as below. Okay, so contoh kita cantumkan bentuk-bentuk yang ada tu bucu dengan bucu dia supaya boleh membentuk berapa segitiga di dalam. Okay, so contoh segi 4. Okay, kita sambungkan saya pakai merah. This bucu to this bucu, so dia menghasilkan 2 triangles. Okay, for example, this is pentagon. Okay, we try to connect this bucu to this bucu 1, this bucu to this bucu 2. Okay, so menghasilkan 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, and for example, this hexagon. Okay, we try this bucu to this bucu, this bucu to that bucu, this bucu to that bucu. So 3 garis, okay, which menghasilkan 4 triangles di dalam. Okay, so let's complete this table. Okay, pentagon is 5, hexagon is 6, heptagon is 7, octagon is 8, nonagon is 9, decagon is 10. Okay, so let's look over here. So for pentagon 5, okay, it have 3 triangles inside. So 3. This is hexagon, so we have 4 and so on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what is the total sum of interior angles? Okay, for this one, we know that if triangle, we have 180. Okay, over here we have 2 triangles, right? So each triangle is 180. Okay, so if you have 2 triangles, okay, it is basically 180 times 2, 360. Okay, so what if I want to know the sum of interior angles for pentagon? So pentagon, it have 3 triangles inside. Okay, 3. So each triangle is 180. So you times 180 by 3 is 180 times 3. So you have 540. And so on. Okay, for example, hexagon we know it have 4 triangles, 5, 6, 7, 8, and each triangle we times with 180. Okay, so 180 times 4, 720. Okay, 180 times 5, 900. 180 times 6, 1080. 180 times 7, 1260. 180 times 8, 1440. If you can memorize this number, this figure, it is the best for you lah. Okay, so you no need to calculate it manually if you can memorize the interior angle. Okay, saya tak paksa awak hafal, tapi kalau awak hafal dengan cara buat banyak latihan, dengan awak familiarize the figure, okay, it's the best for you. Okay, so over here, okay, sekarang cuba tengok. Kita ada number of side 3. If 3, you have 1 triangles. If you have number of side 4, you have 2 triangles inside. If you have 5 sides, you have 3 triangles. Okay, try to look at this pattern. Awak dah belajar kan in the first chapter. Okay, the pattern is -2. Am I right? -2, -2, -2. Okay, so over here we can conclude that, okay, the number of triangles times 180 is n minus 2. Okay, so we know that, okay, each time you know n sides, okay, in order to know how many triangles inside, you just subtract 2, n minus 2. Okay, and then this is the number of the triangle inside. Okay, to know the interior angles, just times 180, because each triangle has 180 degree. Okay, and then do you know, okay, you can look over here, if you have a polygon with 12 sides, 13 sides until 20, this is the name. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 2. Okay, state the number of triangle formed for each of the following polygon. Okay. So in order to know how many triangles inside, okay, the formula just n minus 2. Okay, n minus 2. Okay, so number of triangles. So number of triangles. Okay, so we have 13 sides minus 2, so we know we have 11 triangles. Okay, and then for 18 sides, okay, number of triangles. Okay, 18 minus 2, we have 16 triangles inside. Okay, next. Okay, so far so good, yeah? Example 2. Okay, example 3. Calculate the value of x for the following. Okay. Okay, for this one, okay, this is irregular polygon. Okay. Okay, so first we need to calculate how many sides are there, so we can know that what is the total of interior angles of that polygon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. So this is Pentagon. So how many, what is the interior angles? So the interior angles is basically 5 minus 2 times 180. So we know that the total number of interior angles of Pentagon is 540. Okay, so we know that if we add up all of these angles, it will give us 540. So you can write your linear equation. Okay, so 60 plus 130 plus 100 plus, what is this? This is 90 degrees. 90 plus x is equals to 540. Okay, so you add up all of this one. So you have 60 plus 130 plus 100 plus 90. So x is equals to 540 minus 380. So x is equals to 160. Okay, boleh? As simple as that. Mudah sahaja, tak susah. Okay, so let's look at B. Okay, B. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides. So we know that this is a square. So 4 minus 2 times 180, you will get 360. So the sum of all these 4 angles is 360. So you can write it as x plus 130 plus 60 plus 90 is equals to 360. So you add up these 3 angles, you will get 280. So x plus 280 is equals to 360. So you just want x, this one, subtracts 280, subtract 280. So the answer is x is equals to 80. Okay, ataupun macam yang biasa saya ajar, tambah 280, pindah sebelah, jadilah tolak 280. Okay. Okay, mudah sahaja kan? Okay, next. Okay, let's look the next learning standard. Okay, so far okay. Kalau awak rasa macam apa ni laju sangat, okay, awak boleh stop sekejap, rewind this video and tengok balik macam mana. Okay, so the next learning standard is make and verify conjecture about the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. Wow, apa conjecture apa semua ni kan? Don't worry. Okay, it is just okay, we want to know that the total sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360. Ingat lagi tak exterior angle tadi? Exterior angle adalah bila kalau kita ada polygon kan, contoh kita panjangkan yang di luar ni. Ini adalah exterior angle. Maksudnya kalau kita tambah semua exterior angle yang ada, dia akan total up pada 360. Tak lebih, tak kurang. 360. Okay. So let's try this first one. Okay, calculate the value of x. Okay. So for this problem, okay, we know we have 3 exterior angles. Okay, I know that if I add up these 3 angles, it will be 360. Okay, so I know that. So 120 plus 160 plus x is equals to 360. So x, x plus, okay, you add up these two number, 0682, okay, 360. So the question only want x. Okay, so nak x kita kena buang 280. So minus 280 minus 280. So x is equals to 80. Okay, ataupun saya boleh buat macam ni lah, tambah pindah sebelah jadi tolak, benda yang sama. Okay. Okay, and then this one, find the value of x. Okay, in the diagram below, ABCD is a regular pentagon. Okay. BCF and EDF is a straight line. Calculate the value of x. Okay. So, okay, first we know that this is a triangle, okay. Okay, so we know that total of each, okay, each, what we call this, okay, exterior angle, okay, is 360. Okay, so I know that. Okay, I try to take one side. Okay, for example, this one. So angle of FDC. Okay, FDC, this one. Okay, because this is one of the exterior angle, right? Okay, so 360. Okay, divide by, so pentagon ada 5 sides kan, so divide by 5, so you will get 72. Okay, so it means, okay, setiap sudut ini adalah 72, 72, 72, 72, 72. Okay, boleh Okay, so saya lukis balik. So over here you have 72, this is 72, and this one is x. Okay, so triangle. So triangle, the interior angle is 180. So you can write it as x plus 72 plus 72 is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180. So minus 72 minus 72. Okay, actually kalau perasan saya tunjukkan macam-macam cara untuk kita selesaikan x. Okay, awak boleh tambahkan dulu then pindah ke sebelah, ataupun kita boleh pindahkan terus. Okay, macam-macam cara boleh. Okay, so 180 minus 72 minus 72, and your answer is 36 degree. Okay, mudah saja, betul? Okay. Now next learning standard. Okay. Determine the values of interior angles, exterior angles, and number of sides of polygon. Okay. So over here it give you tips. Okay, interior angles of a regular polygon is n minus 2 times 180 over n. Okay, tadi kita dah pakaikan rumus ni. Okay, rumus ini digunakan untuk kita mencari total number of interior angle. Okey, ni kalau semua, kalau contoh kita kira untuk Pentagon, okey, ni kita akan dapat total semua 5 sudut tu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total semua. Tapi kalau kita nak salah satu sahaja, contoh saya nak ambil ni sahaja. So saya kena bahagikan dengan berapa sisi yang ada. So contoh kalau Pentagon 5 bahagi 5, so dapatlah angle bagi setiap sudut itu. Okay, boleh So let's look at the first example. Okay, example 5. Calculate the value of interior angle of calculate the value of the interior angle. The maksudnya satu saja. For regular hexagon. Okay, so what we need to do? So first we know that, okay, number of sides for hexagon is 6. Okay, then we need to know, we can try to use this formula directly. Okay, so interior angle of hexagon, the interior, is equals to, okay, so 6 minus 2 times 180, then divide by 6. So we have 4 times 180 divided by 6. Okay, you press your calculator. 720 divided by 6, and your final answer is 120. Okay, maksud dia, okay, for example, you have hexagon. Okay, so this one is 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120. So this one total up to 720. Boleh So maksud dia kalau awak kira yang atas ini, awak akan dapat total semua dia, tambah semua sekali ke 666 ni. Okay, tapi kalau kita nak salah satu saja, so kita kena bahagikan dengan bilangan dia supaya kita dapat nilai satu bucu ini. Okay, boleh Okay, now let's look at example 6. Okay, example 6. Calculate the value of B for the diagram on the right. Okay, so all of this is exterior angle kan. Okay, so we know the exterior angle is total up to 360. Okay, kita check dulu each of the exterior. So one exterior, 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 exterior. Okay, all of it is exterior. Okay, so we total up everything and equate it to 360. Okay, so kita 60 plus 15. Okay, I go this way. Okay, plus 45 plus 50 plus B plus 30 plus B plus 30. Okay, betul tak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, is equals to 360. Okay, and then okay, over here you have B. How many B? 1B, 2B. Okay, you have 2B. Okay, you add up the others, okay, the numbers. So you have 60 plus 15 plus 45 plus 50 plus 30 plus 30. So 230 is equals to 360. So now we only want 2B. So 2B is equals to 360 minus 230. Okay, so 360. So 130. So we only want B. So you have to divide it by 2. So divide by 2. Your answer is 65. Okay. Boleh Okay, next example 7. Okay. calculate the value of exterior angle of a regular octagon. Okay, so we know that, okay, the total exterior angle for octagon is 360. Any polygon is 360. Any polygon is 360, the exterior angle. Okay, so if we want only one exterior angle, okay, so the exterior angle of octagon, okay, is equals to 360 divided by octagon is 8. Okay, so press your calculator and your answer is 45 degree. So it means if you have a octagon, okay, octagon 1 2, how to draw an octagon? Okay, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, for example like that. Okay, so it means, okay, saya panjangkan this one, okay, over here. So this is 45. Okay, boleh Tapi kalau totalkan semua, everything, okay, everything over here, you will get 360. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, let's look at example 8. Okay, example 8. Okay, calculate the number of sides of the following regular polygon when given the value of interior angles. Okay. Calculate the number of sides of the following regular polygon when given the value of interior angles. Okay, so it means the question want us to find number of side n, okay, of regular polygon, okay, sorry, when given the interior angle. Okay, so how can you find, or how can you solve this type of question? Okay, don't worry. Okay, there's a few approaches. Okay, so we try one. Okay, sekarang kita tahu, okay, interior angle, okay, is 108. Okay, so ini adalah sudut dalaman dia, 108. Okay, okay, cuba kita cari. Okay, okay, for example I draw, okay, ini one sides. Okay, satu sisi dia 108. Okay, cuba kita extend. Okay, kita akan dapat dia punya exterior angle. So we extend, so this is the exterior angle. Okay, I use yellow. So ingat, okay, this is interior angle, this is exterior angle. Okay, so this is one straight line, am I right? Okay, so to get exterior angle is basically 180 minus 108. Okay, so we get 72. Okay, so it means, okay, saya pindahkan sekejap. Okay, so it means, okay, this area is 72 degrees. Okay, now we know that, okay, number of sides n is also equals to 360 divided by exterior angle. Okay, now macam mana awak dapat rumus ni? Kita gunakan rumus yang awak dah ada kat atas ni. Tengok sini. Ni yang rumus kita pakai sebelum-sebelum ni kan. Okay, cuba tulis balik. Okay, exterior angle is equals to, okay, 360 divided by n. Okay, boleh. Okay, now we want to find what is n. What is n? Yang ni kita dah ada exterior angles. Okay, so kita just substitute. Okay, exterior angle is 72 is equals to 360 divided by n. Sekarang kita nak n kan, n naik atas, 72 turun bawah. So dia akan jadi yang macam ni. Okay, so n is equals to 360 divided by 72. Okay, and you will get 5. Okay, so maksud dia, okay, kalau awak ada interior angles of 108, exterior angle 72, okay, it actually have 5 sides, and this is a pentagon. Okay. Okay, let's do the next one, 144. Okay, same one. Okay, for example, I draw it like this. Okay, over here you have 144. Okay, try to extend this line to find the exterior angle. Okay, so over here is actually 180 minus 144. So you will get 36. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so 36, okay, is equals to 360 divided by n. Okay, from the previous formula. So n, okay, bawa pergi sebelah, 36 bawa turun bawah. So n is equals to 360 divided by 36, and you will get 10 sides. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Okay, and the last learning standard for today is solve problems using polygon. Okay, so let's have a look at the last example. Okay, example 9. Okay, the diagram on the right is a regular hexagon. Okay, hexagon 8 sisi kan? Ke 6 sisi. 8 sisi, octagon, jangan confuse. Okay, the diagram on the right is a regular hexagon that is enlarged from the design of a football. Siapa yang suka football, betul tak? Betul kan? Okay, yang putih tu hexagon, yang hitam tu pentagon, kan? Okay. Okay, so it want us to calculate the angle of y, and then calculate the difference between y and x plus z. Okay. Okay, look over here. Okay, y is actually interior angle. Okay, only one interior angle. Okay, so we know that y is equals to, okay, so this is a hexagon, so 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. Okay, so press your calculator, so you will get 120. So that's it. Okay, this is y. Okay, next, calculate the difference between y and x plus z. Okay, so first you need to plus these two value. Okay, and then y minus x plus z. Okay, so how can we get the value of x and z? Okay, so I try to draw that okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so we have p q u. Okay, so this is x, this is x, this is 1 2 0. So over here we have, so we have triangle, right? So triangle is 180. So we know that 120 plus x is 180. So 2x is equals to 180 minus 120. So x is equals to 60 divided by 2. X is equals to 30. Okay. Okay, next, how can we find z? Okay. Okay, I try to zoom this one. Okay. Okay, so over here, okay, so this one, okay, you know that it is 1, 2, 0. Okay, am I right? Okay, next, okay, 1, 2, 0. Okay, 1, 2, 0. We know that, and then this one is okay, this color. Okay, I change. Okay, this purple. Okay, purple is 90, right? Okay, you can use that method also to find X. Okay. Okay, I write it down over here. Or, okay, or you can use, okay, 120 minus 90 is equals to X. So X is equals to 30. Okay, so we just found out about that. Okay, next, okay, how to find Z. Okay, saya padam Okay, so saya padam. Okay, sini kita dah ada 30. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, sekarang tengok sini. Okay, this is one is parallel. Okay, so this is alternate angle. Okay, boleh so alternate angle. So over here Z. So over here also Z. Okay. So sekarang tengok saya pecah dua ni. Okay, pecah dua. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So over here I have 1, 2, 0. Over here is 1, 2, 0. Okay, so over here is the same, right? Okay. So you take your calculator. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides is 3, 6, 0. Okay. So 360 minus 120 minus 120 divide by 2 sebab nak dapat yang ni kan. Okay, so 360 minus 120 minus 120 divide 360 minus 120 minus 120 and then divide by 2. So we have 60 and 60. Okay, so we know that both this one is 60. Okay, so yang satu ni dah 30 kan. So kalau sini 30, so Z ni adalah 30. Boleh Okay, so we know that. Okay, Z. Okay, Z is equals to 30 also because of alternate angle. Okay, so what is your answer for B? Okay, so B, okay, difference of, okay, Y minus X plus Z. Okay, so Y is 120 minus 30 plus 30. So 120 minus 60 and your answer is 60. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it for this chapter. Okay, tinggal yang kita melukis tadi. Okay, the construction. We will learn it next week. Okay. So for the other part, if you have any problems, okay, just rewind the video. Okay, so next, okay, self practice 4.2. I want you to do number 1, number 2, number 3. number 4, and number 5. Okay, boleh? So 5 question. So if you have any problem, okay, just text me, or you can comment down below so I can reach out to you. Okay, so for my students, you can just WhatsApp me. Okay, if you are not my students, okay, you can comment down below. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for this week. Okay, thank you very much for your perhatian. Okay, and then remember, okay, maths is simple, maths is easy, maths is not hard. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, remember that. Okay, thank you very much. See you next week. Bye.